garlic remedy for earaches. Before we continue with the video, don't forget to kindly click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon below to be notified when we upload new material. Garlic has long been known for its versatility. Garlic has been used to spice up your favorite dishes, has been used for different methods of cleaning, and also has been known as a natural remedy for many health issues. Garlic can help to fight and prevent illnesses, and it can help boost your immune system. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for ear problems including earache, ear infection and tinnitus. An earache can affect both ears, but most of the time it concentrates in one ear. Earaches do not discriminate as it affects all of us, but usually occur in children more. The symptoms are usually a pain that is dull, sharp or burning. It may be constant or it may come and go. Sometimes fever sets in and temporary hearing loss may occur. The following are a couple of ways to use garlic at home in your ears for relief. You can whip up a small batch if you need to use it right away. What you will need for the garlic oil recipe: 1 clove of garlic, 2 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 small pan, 1 small glass jar with lid, a piece of cotton and a strainer. Peel 1 large garlic clove. Roughly chop the garlic to open up. Do not mince it. Add the garlic and the oil to a small sterilized pan or pot that has not been heated yet. To sterilize the pot or pan, use a solution of 3 parts water and 1 part vinegar to clean. Warm the oil and garlic in a pan over low heat. Please pay close attention because you don't want the solution hot. If the oil is smoking or bubbling, the heating is too high. Mix the oil and garlic around the pan to infuse the garlic aroma. Remove the pan from the heat and let the mixture cool. Pour the garlic oil into the jar, straining out the garlic pieces. Have the person lying on their side with the sore ear facing up. Put 2 or 3 drops of warm garlic oil into the ear. Gently place a piece of cotton over the opening of the ear to stop the oil from seeping out. Remain in the same position for 10 to 15 minutes for the best results. You can soak a piece of cotton in the oil and rest it inside the ear, so the oil seeps into the ear canal. The remaining oil should be stored in the refrigerator in the glass jar to be used as needed. Use the garlic oil within 3 days and then discard it. Before using, apply a small amount of the solution on the inner arm to see if there is irritation or burning on the skin. If you feel tingling or discomfort or see redness where the oil was applied, thoroughly wash the area with soap and water, and do not use the oil. Also, do not use the oil if you have a ruptured eardrum. See your doctor before using garlic oil or any other remedy in your ear.